Hey everybody, today I'm going to be cleaning up the downpipe, getting all the rust, whatever, off for 2011 WRX STI swap. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy. When I got it, but I'm trying to get it to this nice, smooth, and finish so I can paint it. But yeah, so I gotta do all those welds on the whole slide. But y'all get to watch. So enjoy. So I don't have a lot of experience using grinders, so to be safe, I'm not sure if that's still good or not. We got nice and smooth, and now we just gotta do that all the way around it. But yeah, I ain't got experience enough with grinders to know when to change them, but we have another pack of them here, and this one looks a lot different than the one over here, so I'm not sure if this one's still good or not, but I'd rather be safe and change it too early than change it when it flies off. And so unplug it first, push the button, and then you got to turn it like that so it falls into place, and then turn it off like anything else. There's an arrow right there. It says the direction to turn it, and then to put it on, you just turn it the other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure it's on there all the way. Good to go. Yeah, I don't know if this is still good or not, but I'm not gonna risk it. And then come back over here. That's not the cord. This is the cord. Yep. Plug the cord back in. Just like that. Put the camera back up. Just like that. And to the next clip. So far we got like the top third left to do, but she's rather holy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a lot of air bubbles in here. So just trying to get it as smooth as possible. But yeah, that's where we're at. Stay tuned. It's gonna be cool when it's done. Alright folks, so y'all saw how it was before. This is what we were going for here. Nice single piece. Yeah. Now to do the rest of the pipe. Let's get it. So right now I just got one side looking good. Hit her with a little brake clean. Now we go in with the other little one and clean up everywhere. And yeah, just do that the whole way around. So yeah, that's how, oh, there you go. That's how we cleared all the rust off of it. And ooh, now we're going to clean it off with some brake clean. And yeah, get some primer on it, some paint on it. Good to go. So first off, brake clean and a rag. Gotta do this with one hand, but yeah, just spray it down. Spray some on your rag, just like so. And yeah, it's not gonna be clean when you're done. You're never gonna get it clean. So, yeah. What's up, guys? So got it all wiped off, and now go over to where the paint is. I see purple. I see purple. Okay, we need some clear coat, some primer, and there's like a rust spray here somewhere, and you spray on what's going on, whatever's rusty, so that it stops, you know, being rusty. But I don't know where it is, and to be honest, I just want to paint this fucking thing. So we're gonna go outside. Oh my days. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Anyway, come over here. Put our stuff down, get this off the table. Excuse me. So we're gonna put it to paint it. Now, y'all are about to enjoy watching me struggle to go get it. We got some tape. Can't forget your tape. So, what we're going to do with the tape, set this down. We're going to put our tape, so, just like that. Get the wire. Another piece down here. And primer. Like that. And go over it very light. I don't know about this. But whatever. Says it's primer. You're supposed to do this. Hey guys, I don't know about this. It's not going on the best. But I don't know. It's supposed to be primer. It says it is. Ooh, that was not even close to ready. Just cover up the old fingerprint in there. Give it a minute for all the wet spots to dry in the sun. I guess a couple coats. It'll be good, right? I think it'll be good. So, the bottom part dried, I flipped her over, and we're going to go again. Just trying to get some of this primer on it before we paint it purple. Yeah, I'm not much of a painter, folks. It's these parts right here that is not going on the best. So I figure a couple layers on it would probably solve the problem. But yeah, gotta wait for this to dry too. And now trying to go for coat 2 on anywhere that I don't think it took well. We're running out of paint, so It doesn't look like it took as bad as I thought it was gonna when it was wet. It dried pretty good on there. Look at that. She's crispy. Oh, that spot right there didn't take good. Just hit it again. Another little blip. Turn it over. 1 second, I gotta sit y'all down. Oh. Jesus, this tripod sucks. Jesus, the wind is fucking. Yeah. Time to paint this whole purple. Y'all, I'm excited. I love purple. Purple loves me. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. I feel blessed right now. Oh, this is gonna be wonderful. I don't know if it's gonna take good on this black, but whatever. I think it will be A-okay. Over here, gotta get this side good. Looking right. Y'all, I think I should have used white primer. But whatever. You know how we do. I gotta wait to flip it over though. So this stuff is not drying as quick as the old primer did. She looks wet. Yeah. Is this side dry? Kinda. It's a little sticky. Yeah. But yeah, I think white primer would have been the move for this purple. But it is what it is. It's gonna be good. No matter what, it's gonna be good. It's a good day. Look kind of like grape Kool-Aid, but I like grape Kool-Aid. So I'm gonna have a purple hand. Ugh. Probably should have waited for that to dry more, but I'm impatient. And it's probably gonna cost me here in a minute. Oh my days, folks, I done stepped right out of my damn shoe on this ball. Whatever Akeem worked on this table is not being very kind to my downpipe. So y'all are gonna have to go over to his video and tell him whatever he was doing, you need to smarten up. Alright, y'all gotta say it just like that too. Say the pimp said to smarten up. Gotta wait for that to dry though. She's sexy. Yes, she is. So. Oh, gee. That did not go well. Yeah. I'll be back when this thing's dry. Oh my God. So, it's dry. Now we just gotta flip it back over. Oh, damn it, there's rocks in it. Get the other side. Now the other side's gonna be all scratched up like this side. Ugh. Get this side go with the purple. I think she's gonna be good, folks. We had some drippage right there. That's my bad. Not a painter. And then we gotta hit it with the clear coat. Take some pictures. And yeah, should be good to go. Hey, Akeem. Big Bird's home. Watch out. All right, folks. So we are going to take the paint, and then anywhere that looks like right there, where it's gone up on whatever was on the my painting surface before, we're just gonna cover up best we can. Won't be perfect, but better than nothing. Right now I'm going into, oh, you got some dirt on these. Oh, never mind. Guess the grinder burnt some little holes in the lens. Oopsies. Can y'all see that? No. Maybe? I don't know. But anyway, it's all good. Come over here. Get some clear coat. And then when the spots I just patched up dry, we'll put a clear coat on it, so that when I flip it over, hopefully the clear coat protects it from the stuff on the table. But yeah, so right now that's where I'm at. Oh Jesus, it missed a spot with the paint. This goddamn table. Yeah, I can miss it now. Now it's dry. So I'm gonna hit it with the clear coat. I lied, because I don't want to clear coat that dirt in it. God damn it. I done touched it with my dirty hands. I was gonna clear coat the dirt in it. What kind of sense does that make? Not much, is the answer. Clear coat. Get you some clear coat. I'm not going to do no 3-layer nothing on this. Because to be honest, I probably put the wrong paint on it and got to take it off or something. But I don't want to do 3 layers of clear coat. Or 2, however many you're supposed to have. Just go over it till I think I got everywhere. Wait for it to dry. And flip it over. That's where I'm at. I'm gonna make y'all wait with me. This is how it is sometimes. You just gotta wait for the paint to dry. Stand around look at nature. Listen to the birds and the clapped out Honda Civics. This is great. I'm gonna touch it. Hey, it's good to go. We're gonna flip her over. Now. Got her flip. Get the rocks off. Hit it with the paint. Oh Jesus, I got a critter in it. Waiting for paint to dry. Now I'm not sure if I got everywhere with the clear coat, but I'm gonna call that a win. Because it looks good enough to me. And it's going on. Right. It goes down there. It goes under the car. So ain't nobody really gonna be seeing it. Like, the hell, it attached to the exhaust, which isn't painted. So, I'm not gonna lie, every time I use that purple paint, kinda lets me down. Because every time I think it's gonna be a nice metallic bright purple. Looks like Kool-Aid. I'm all for Kool-Aid, but Jesus Christ, that's not what the cap looks like. Look, that's what the cap looks like, and that's what the paint looks like, alright? Side by side. Probably pretty close, to be honest, but to me, those are not the same color. Maybe if I would have sprayed it on a white base instead, it would have been a brighter color, but when I sprayed it on a white base on a set of rims, it was about the same color. Looks like Kool-Aid. Not like that nice purple rag in the turbo. Now I'm gonna go over, touch it, see if it feels sticky. Oh, I missed right there. Yep, I missed right there. But am I gonna do it again? Nope. Call it a win. And I'll show you why we put tape on the O2 sensor. Well, because you don't want a painted O2, so I mean you could, but I don't want one. It's not scratch the car with the downpipe. Not the car, it was the pole. I'll put this up on the table here. So right there, the clear coat was not dry, but yeah. I'm gonna stand you up for a second here. There you go. I'm gonna sit in the chair, and we're gonna get the tape off. One nice piece, please. You know what? I wonder. Because the sheathing here is like, meow. I was just going to try to pull all the tape off, but apparently I got some of the wire too. And there we go. A nice non-painted O2 sensor. So yeah, folks, that is how the downpipe looks. It looks black in the light, but it's not, it's just really dark. So yeah. Action shots. Shit, I clicked the wrong button.